Hi everyone, welcome back to Data Solution. This is episode 20 of our Excel Beginner to Advanced series. In earlier episodes, we learned the basics of pivot tables. But today, we will take things to the next level with advanced pivot tables technique use. The kind of features that transform raw data into professional interactive reports. Remember, the full Excel series playlist is in the descriptions and pin comment. Don't miss it if you want to become an Excel pro. Part 1, Quick Recap of Pivot Tables Basic. Pivot tables summarize large data sets instantly. Drag and drop fields. Aggregate numbers, sum, count, average. Rearrange dimensions like region, product, sale, person. Now let's explore advanced tricks. Part 2, Grouping data in pivot tables. Number 1, Group dates. Group by months, quarters, years automatically. Example, sales report grouped Y quarter. Number 2, Group numbers. Example, age grouped into range. 20 to 29, 30 to 39. Number 3, manually grouping. Combine categories like east plus west is equal to domestic and north plus south is equal to international. Part 3, Calculated fields and items. Pivot tables aren't limited to raw fields. You can create your own formulas inside them. Calculated fields. Example, profile is equal to sales minus cost. Calculated items. Example, add custom categories inside a field. This lets you run calculations without touching your original dataset. Part 4, Advanced Pivot Table Layouts. Tabular layout. Cleaner look like a regular table. So values as percentage difference and running total. Example, so each salesperson's contributions percentage to total sales. Part 5, Slicers and timelines. This is where pivot tables turn interactive. Slicer. Filter data with clickable buttons. Timelines. Filter by date range visually. Example, click east in slicer. Instantly updates the whole report. Part 6, Multiple tables connected. If you want a professional dashboard, you can connect multiple tables to the same slicer. Example, select region is equal to east. All charts and tables update together. Part 7, practical business use cases. Monthly and quarterly sales reports. Employee performance dashboards. Finance tracking with profile percentage. Inventory management summarize. These are the exact pivot tables features used in real company dashboards. Part 8 Pro Tips. Always convert your dataset into a table before creating pivot tables. For automatic updates, use refresh all when data changes. Combine pivot tables with conditional formatting for stunning visuals. So in this episode you mastered advanced pivot tables, grouping, calculated fields, slicers and connected reports. Don't forget the complete beginner to advanced access playlist is in the descriptions and pin comment. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe to Data Solution and press the bell icon so you don't miss the next lesson.